All right, thank you once again for joining us today at Igbo Media. I send the bike Odirunu Nama. I say na Oya Duru Nama na Eke, Duru Nama na Odia, Dukwazeru Nama na Afọ. Ozaya no Kendi Igbo jibiri na Oya Dida na Igbo na mma. Dịka isi wene wetere nya bụ ozi gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na the Igbo community na ebe dị iche iche n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. Ọnụnụ ka o si ada. Anyị wetakwelu unu ya bụ ozi gbasịta maka a news on politics n'ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya dị iche iche dịka unu si anụ n'iru akwụkwọ ya bụ ife ka anyị chịkọrọ ọrụ na-ewetara unu ya na Igbo Media. Anyị wee na-asị ọbụna nke ụbọchị gị na-esoro anyị kaba arụ ka ịgbasa ozi a ka o rute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị dịka ị na-eji ịnụ nnukwu ihe nke anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ. Anyị ga-echa ya bụ ife gị tinyekwela anyị alụ nke gị ife iche gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile ịnụ n'iru akwụkwọ.
Okay, Biafrans, we have seen all the videos of the killings in the whole of the southeast and in the whole of the 40 states of United States of Biafra. We have sent these videos to the appropriate authority. If anybody knows what to do to defend themselves until the 2 months, do it, because we are not relenting. We are doing everything in our power tirelessly to make sure that these criminals that are in our land are being repelled. To be honest, we saw something, there is something going on and we cannot say it here, but to tell our Biafran brothers and sisters that since the Nigerian terrorist government has proscribed all the indigenous people of Biafra, you and I, a terrorist group, we will carry that arm that they don't want us to carry. They called us a terrorist. Mazen Nandis Kanu said, welcome it, because it's a badge of honor. It's a badge of honor for me that I've been called a terrorist. So when I carry gun to defend myself, it will be called self-defense, because that is what they want us to do. They want us to carry firearms so that they will come and kill us in the southeast. That is why they prescribe us a terrorist organization. And Gumi is there working freely. He is not, they didn't prescribe him as a terrorist. The bandits are there. They didn't prescribe them as a terrorist. The Yoruba race are there. They didn't prescribe Sunday Igboho as a terrorist. Nigerian government prescribed me as a terrorist, which is all the indigenous people, including Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, and Madam Ngozi Orobweze, a terrorist. Fine and good. What we are saying today is that the videos of the killings from January till date has been sent to the appropriate authority. We will have to wait for that 2 months to come, which is 60 days to elapse before we carry out any actions. But this time around, it's going to be gun for gun, bullet for bullet, and iron for iron. Since you people want war, we're going to give it to you. Thank you, because we now know our rights. Any terrorist Nigerian army in our land, they better leave, because what is coming, you will not see it coming until it is too late. So we are asking you, if you know what to do in the whole of the southeast to defend yourself, please do until we are fully prepared. We are prepared to leave. We have gotten our nation, and I want the Nigerian government to know that what they have started, they should be able to wait to finish it. You may have the money, you may have the connection, but we have the wisdom to tackle you. No worries, we are coming. To those who the terrorist Nigerian army and the Asari Dokubo boys killed their children, mommy and daddy, we say we are very sorry. We don't know that this could happen this early. There are some infiltrators among us, and we're trying to, wither them away and remove them from our midst, and that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to clean up the house, and then we will come for the government that killed our people. So please take heart, take heart, my brothers and sisters. It is not easy for us too. We are trying our best, but like I promised, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be out soon, and Mazen Simon Ekpa definitely in a few days time, and I'm promising you guys this one, he will join us soon. Again, we are making the world to understand that we are not living in fear in our homeland, and since they have decided not to help us. Since they have decided to pay deaf ear to our cry, we will defend ourselves by every means necessary. Thank you, Biafrans. My allegiance goes to the indigenous people of Biafrans. Since the government of Tinubu has prescribed us as a terrorist, is a welcome development. But stand, because it's definitely going to be happening very soon. Thank you so much. May God bless you all, and may God bless our defense force. May God bless our brothers and sisters. In Jesus' name, thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, so it's really quite devastating. I mean, the incident that happened in Ebonyi State 2 days ago, it's quite saddening. Anyway, it's quite saddening. May the soul of those who departed rest in peace. Anyway, after this incident that happened in Ebonyi State, the Ohaneze Youth Council has actually come out. They have spoken, and they have reacted to the incidents that happened. And the Ohaneze Youth Council disclosed that its Directorate of Intelligence had raised an alarm and warned Governor Francis Nwifuru of Ebonyi State about the potential attack, 4 days prior to the violent incident by suspected headsmen in Ame-Gonkalaga community. And also the OIC, in a statement issued by its national president, Comrade Igbo Ayaka, I said that our findings indicated that Fulani headsmen are actually expanding their presence in Ebonyi State, posing a significant threat of additional attack if Governor Nwifuru remains inactive, and that may lead to further loss of life in the state. Now, this is actually Ohaneze Youth Council. Their leader is actually, talking to the governor of Ebonyi State. Honestly speaking, as it stands now, I mean, Governor Nwifuru is actually one of the weakest governors we've ever had in the southeastern part of the country. Honestly speaking, he is just not doing anything, and he really needs to wake up before they turn Ebonyi State to Chibok back then when they were facing insurgency. We all know what is really happening in this country as we speak. A lot is happening, and it's quite unspeakable. It might surprise you that the governors in Southeast, are really benefiting from some of this insecurity that is happening. The one that is really, clear now in our eyes is that of Ebonyi State. I mean, look at the way the man was reacting to the incident that claimed lives of, villagers. I mean, his response were too weak. I mean, it shows that, honestly speaking, they are aware of what is really happening. They are aware, and they just don't want to do anything. Well, I don't really like talking so much about this because, honestly speaking, we know the southeastern part of Nigeria we're living in. We know the southeastern part of Nigeria we're living in, and this country is just full of stories. Anyway, Simon Ekpa has been there for a couple of he has been been in charge of the security in the southeast, and we also how the Southeastern Security Biafra Liberation Army have always breached the gap of this insecurity thing. But ever since he was taken away by the Finnish authorities, it's all been from one story to another. The checkpoints have been growing, increasing in every part of the southeast, and also of recent kidnapping and a whole lot of barbaric activities have been happening ever since Simon Ekpa was taken away by the Finnish authorities. Honestly speaking, I want to hear from you guys what you think about all this that has been happening. Also, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop new videos, you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a new video here on the channel. With that being said, we'll see you all in our next video.
We are Biafrans. We are very, very resilient. You cannot kill us or come and kill us and get away with it. We must arm every single citizen of the United States of Biafra that is 18 years and above. Anywhere they are, anywhere you go, and somebody comes there to kill you, kill the person first. It is called self-defense. Honorable Uche, go ahead and put up that bill on the board. Dear friends, all you need to do, just click on that and put in your name. Vote yes or no. We have 7 to 8 minutes to do this. Thank you so much, everyone. Dear friends, based on the number of yes votes for this particular bill for self-defense for Biafrans, and based on the number of the people that have voted today, we hereby today, February 4, 2025, pass this bill into law in the United States of Biafra to allow Biafrans to be able to self-defend themselves from these killers, from the reintegrated terrorists from Nigeria that are coming to kill us by the day. Again, self-defense being necessary to the security of liberty and a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms for the purpose of defending themselves and the state. This right shall not be infringed upon. Today, Biafrans have voted by the majority to do everything within their power for self-defense. Thank you so much, Biafran. This bill has become law today.
ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu dịka unu si wepụta oge unu igekwa ya bụ ife nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa eji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, ana gbasịta maka nnwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ, ana gbasịta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Ladies. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'udo nke gị asị gị kwuo ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o ji dịbe njọ ọ ya adịkwanụ mma. Ọkwụ na aghọta ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nke unu ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ, ikwucha ya bụ ife kapa arụsie ya kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị, kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Daalụ rinne na ụmụnne m Igbo ọma na-ege ntị, anyị na-ekene ndị nne kunu si na-esoyere anyị. Anyị sị unu ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.